On top the ongoing road projects, Governor Monday Okpebholo don repeat im government commitment say dem go make sure say contractors finish work on time, especially before the rainy season. E come assure Edo pipo say im government dey committed to practical governance and to deliver the dividends of democracy. E come tok say the project na part of im bigger vision to improve the state infrastructure and public services. Oga Governor come yarn say with the continuous monitoring wey dem dey do, dem dey see results say the work for Obadan junction for Benin Auchi expressway dey go well, and say im dey confident say the road go dey ready before Christmas, and say the contractors dey do good job and im dey satisfied with the quality and speed of work.
It's a continuous follow-up. I believe it's the volume of work they are doing here in carrying out can see. I believe within now and 2 weeks we should be able to achieve the desired goal. Like Christmas, it will follow this perfectly.
Oga Governor come also carry waka go monitor other road projects wey include Upper Mission Extension by Aduawa Junction and Upper Ekewan Road. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.